Hello and welcome to yet another video. As usual, my name is Mary, in charge of training and career advisory services here at Corporate Staffing. And today we are looking at how mastering advanced Excel skills can give you an upper edge in this competitive job market. I'm glad to be joined by Elizabeth, one of our career advisors in this conversation. Thank you, Elizabeth, for joining in.
It's a pleasure.
Great. We are looking at how mastering advanced Excel can change a professional's career or make them even to advance. And the first question I have for you with regards to this is, are there specific industries or roles where advanced Excel skills are particularly critical?
Mary, I wouldn't say there is a specific field where advanced Excel skills are required, because all fields require advanced Excel skills. All fields have the need to organize, analyze, and present data in a manner that is useful. For example, if we look at the finance industry, we have data analysts who analyze complex models in order to come up with market trends that are useful. If you go to the realms of accounting, every penny is tracked and tallied with the use of Excel. If we look at project managers, in able to present their data to donors in a manner that can be understood, they have to use Excel. If we look at the various retail stores all over the country, the supply chain and logistics department, they need Excel to track their deliverables, to be able to understand what product is selling and come up with decisions that will build their businesses. Not forgetting these departments that someone will feel Excel is not needed, like the administration, the schools, even the healthcares. We still need Excel because of the need to track patient information and school data. So I would say Excel is like a notebook in the current world that is needed everywhere.
Wow, very key for almost all professions.
Yes, that
Interesting.
is true.
Yeah. So in the current competitive job market, how does having the advanced Excel skill set candidates apart or differentiate them from the rest?
For a start, I'll mention data analysis. You need to have Excel skills in order to analyze data. Employers out here are not looking for someone who just handles the data. They're looking for someone who is in a position to be able to present the data as meaningful information that can be understood by everyone in the firm and even outside the firm. That is their potential clients. Number two, we have the aspect of effectiveness of your information and productivity. If you have the advanced Excel skills, you are likely to be effective in your work because you can handle the large data sets in an organization, and this will also save your organization time and money. So this is a very required skill. Number three, I'll talk about problem solving and risk assessment. Advanced Excel skills will equip you in knowledge in manipulation and analyzing of data. How does this help in problem solving? You will be able to manage the complex data into small portions that can be understood and solved. You can also be able to use the what-if analysis tools in Excel worksheet to be able to come up with predictive models that can help you analyze your risk prior before the risk occurs. And number last, I want to talk about data validation and decision making. The Excel sheet has a data validation tool. This tool is very essential because it helps you to reduce errors in your data. Hence, you're presenting a data that is good. You can also use the analytical aspects of Excel to be able to run reports and come up with decisions that are beneficial for future purposes.
Wow, I'm looking at it from a holistic approach point of view, and indeed it is a skill that will definitely set candidates apart in any interview room. Now, someone watching this video and they want to leverage the Excel to advance in their career, what final advice do you have for them?
Well, Mary, having looked at the importance, we all can say that Excel is the key to success in your career. Currently, we have a lot of jobs out there that are looking for people who have advanced Excel skill as one of the main skills that they're bringing to the organization. So my advice to anyone watching this video is to log into our website and sign up for our next advanced Excel training, which is starting next month. because here at Corporate Staffing, we give you a community where you are not only going to be given formulas to memorize, but we are going to teach you how to apply it to your specific field of work.
Wow. So the time is now actually for signing up.
Yes, the time is now.
Interesting. Thank you so much for sharing with us. When it comes to advanced Excel and mastering the skill, as Elizabeth has mentioned, this is beyond theory. And that is why it is important to seek for a professional training where you get to understand all the formulas and how best this skill can give you a competitive edge in the current competitive job market. My name is Mary once again, and I'm looking forward to seeing you in the next video. Thank you for watching.